Welcome back. Another stream. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Today, let's come back to the Unit 2 layouts for display a scrollable list. So last time we did, just to do some quick recap, last time we did a tape calculation app where we first created using some simple elements and then we used some material components, aka library stuff from Android, and then we wrote a little instrumentation test to make sure the tip amount is what we expected, and then we took a little quiz, and now we're here. Display a scrollable list. Let's go. Oh, that one. Affirmation. Not really. Imbecile. Okay. Can Loki put this on the App Store? Damn, I got a business idea. We're gonna do it with waifu pictures. Oh, welcome back, Joe Mill. Good to see you. Man, I'm pretty happy today for many reasons. One reason is that our videos actually help someone. So that's amazing. Drop me some comments so I know you guys were. And let me know your opinions. I do reply to every one of them. Try my best at least. It's such a good business idea. Use listening column. Turn on jazz first. About this collab, before you begin, it's common to make lists of all sorts of situations in everyday life, such as list of things to do, blah blah blah. I don't care. Kotlin playground. Functions, arguments, and return values, variables, data types. Okay, Control-O. List and buildable list. Oh. In earlier collab, you learned about basic data types in Kotlin, such as int, double, boolean, string. It will store more than one values. Lists or arrays, etc. Or queues or stacks, whatever. The two types of list: read-only, mutable list. Okay, list cannot be modified. Kind of reminds me of strings. When using lists or mutable lists, you must specify the type of element they can contain. For example, list of int holds a list of integers, a list of string holds a list of strings. The car class in your program, you get a list of car to hold the objects. Kotlin playground. Don't want hello world. List of. This is actually not super. This is not useful if we cannot use a subloop to populate it, right? Like you have to hard code everything. Let's see how we generate a list that is not mutable. So that would be interesting. They're running. Hello there. Oh yeah, it's not printing or anything. If the type of the variable can be guessed or inferred based on the values. Okay, but if you type $o, it'd be floats. This is interesting. So it's almost like an iterator. It actually goes into the list and then extracts the information out. Be validated and add to the string. Oh. It auto-casts into strings as well. Retrieve the size of a list using numbers.size. Okay, big parentheses. One. Let's do print line. This. Do the $sign numbers. And then print line. This size. $, big parentheses, size of. Is it size of or something? Numbers.size. Numbers.size. Jesus fuck, what is it? Okay. Zero index. Oh. Oh. Dot get one. Let's try that. Need a big parentheses. Okay, so we use both ways. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Contains, so basically a search. Dun, 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 dun. It's probably binary search. This is quite useless if you can't alter anything. It does not exist for the list. Remove the incorrect code. You're not allowed to change the value of element. Oh, because they return a new list, so it doesn't count. So it actually deleted it, I think, almost. Because it's calling colors and it's already reversed. Actually, it's not. No, never mind. It's contained. It didn't get deleted. It's the original one. Yeah, I think so. This is the output of the two lists. Add code to return a sorted version of list using sorted function. Okay. Not surprising, it's sorted by the probably the numerical value, even converted, and then and it goes from A B C D F G to, from smaller to bigger. Oh, yeah. And if you show a list of possible operations, so that's a good thing. Man, I'm kind of excited to do this app. I want to turn into anime waifu saying kill quotes. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm gonna weaponize all of them. Okay, so what's the point of this? You have to hardcode everything almost. Or load from existing data. Guess it kind of saves a little bit. Delete the existing code in main. Create a new thing. Mutable listo. Andres. Yeah, it doesn't know what type it is. Of void, maybe. I think it has to know the type so that it reserve individual blocks. It knows like how to read it a chunk by a chunk. And you create mutable lists, colon translate for what type the list contains from the arguments passed, for example. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, because it reads a variable called the string. Either way. It's probably empty. Yeah, it is. I'm more comfortable with this style. Feels more explicit. Oh, there's actually a function this time, which didn't exist for non-mutable lists, obviously. Another add requires the what's it called? To contain the search method or whatever. The resulting entries list two. This now contains two items. Oh, shove a list inside another list. Okay. I don't think it does because it's different type. Yeah. Remove spaghetti, my friend. Okay, so it's just search and delete. What's like the best data structure of that? I think it might have to do with those trees or whatever. Remove something. It would be false, like I expect. Yeah, that's a very cute hello. Good to see you again, Sassy Praveen. That's funny. Sometimes you come from YouTube, sometimes you come from Twitch. It's amazing. As a matter of fact, I think YouTube actually does a better job promoting than Twitch, from what people say. But it seems to be the opposite for me. Which is why I originally became the Twitch affiliate. Remove at 0, just remove the index. I feel like Twitch has more interactions, but just doesn't promote you. So like there are fewer people to discover channels. The fun fact is I think probably like 150 of the followers are from Twitch. You're moving index. Boy, you can clear it too. Damn. Why would you? I guess you save time to initiate a new one. Initialize a new one. ECMD. Dun, 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 dun. $69. Man, I'm not sure. Yeah, the goal thing is gone, but still haven't hit my 200 goal. That's also a weird discrepancy between YouTube and Twitch. My YouTube is like 126, my Twitch is 161. this actually got me thinking. Like when some of those influencers count how many people they influence, if they simply add up, let's say Twitch and YouTube, there'll be quite a big overlap. Maybe not all, but like there's quite a big overlap. Man, when can I hit 420? Actually, it took me a really long time to hit 69, I think. Probably like a good few months. If you hit that number, you gotta think of some celebration. Nope. Look through each list. Okay, I guess when you do this kind of loop, you don't need to alter the list. And do a number and then loop through them and then keep adding to the total guest. Very smart. And they increment. Why would you use a lot for this? Total guess. Index. Something like this. It's just a while loop. Two, 6, 7, yeah, 10. Forward. Interesting. It's able to directly loop through. It's similar to Python. Print line name. Jessica, Henry, Alicia, Jose. So I got when I first came to the US. I used to read this as Josie. It's quite illiterate and ignorant back then. Luckily, didn't get into troubles. The total makes sense if I got in trouble because of that. It makes total sense, to be honest. Ooh. So I did 2 evaluations. I'm a little bit surprised it didn't make a parentheses of some sort to make sure it doesn't go beyond the boundary. Putting it all together. When it comes to ordering food from local restaurants, usually multiple items. Example output of the final code. Can you brainstorm? Class, you will need to help organize this data. Like menu item containing the name and the dollar value. Yeah. Yep. Just like what we thought. One is a string, one is an integer or float to be better, but it's okay. Wait, really? Wow. Yeah, don't you need to access the price or something? Access the field. This one I think returns the right thing. Basically, I think this call to string to this variables first. You don't think you can construct like this? Because it will thought this is the second argument. Yeah, this is a bad one too. Setting a list of vegetables, okay. Oh. How does it map to the price? There's some sound, I don't know what sound it is. What's my right here? Only 10% left. Those garbage. Next use after is empty. Yeah, this is similar. I don't want to go do it again. Yeah, on the mutable list, then keep appending to it. Individual class functions, the add items, and add the list of items. What's item list? It shall be reasonable to keep track of a list of all customer orders. Builder pattern. So running unit or nothing from the add item at all methods tend to change order. Just to keep with this. This is actually a very common use thing, it seems, to reference the current object instance with the add item at all method to return the current order by returning this. Oh, you can chain calls. Theoretically shove into the list. Okay. Order is an item list built into it. And new items add the list of new items and then loop through the item list in this object. This one just add one item, two items, add a list of items, add a mix of the two but in a chain, you call it in a chain way. This one was different. This one adds directly to the list and then print out. Mutable, non-mutable, and loops. It's kind of convenient that it automatically grabs the elements and then loop through it. Var all out. This one is here. You don't know how it would map one-to-one to the prices if they're different. Yeah, I think it doesn't matter what you put in there, as long as it's vegetable. This summer should be 5. It's a little bit, it's a little bit made up. Anyway, cool. That'll be the video for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys on Sunday, I think. Peace.